All right, if for some reason the link to the Excel Chapter 2 hands-on training isn't working, giving you that same error, I did post in the discussion to try the new link that I put on, but you can always get to Mindtap and those links outside of Canvas too. I don't like you necessarily going that way because it can get confusing, but in this case, if you're still getting that, you can on the modules page. So I'm on modules. There's a link, and this is where you started, where you set up your account. This says access to and register for Mindtap. If I click on this link, it takes you to this next page. Click on this link. Wait patiently. And this will take you to Mindtap. And in here, you can see all of the different trainings and projects. And so for Excel Chapter 2 hands-on training, I actually put the training in midterm training, practice, and exams. So you can see here would be Excel Chapter 2 hands-on training. So you can click on this link and it should open into the training there. So if for some reason the Canvas link isn't working, let's see if you can get in through just going to Mindtap and finding that. Okay, I hope that helps.